Compared to cars, a motorcycle has much smaller load capacity, and the riders have to sift through what items to take every time they travel. I have a large size seat bag. The capacity is limited, but it has enough room for my camping gears. Tent, sleeping bag, fire starter kit, food, rain gear, first aid kit, cutting tool like hatchet and knife, paracord, cookers, canteen, and a bottle of wine. Only problem is the bag is too big and not stable on the passenger seat. So I am making a pallet to support the side of the bag.
Use the Force, Luke. Let go, Luke.
As I sat in the pallet, I was thinking what to carry on at first. And suddenly, I heard a thousandth voice speaking to my head.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
And winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
And winter is coming!
Alright, I get kerosene oil before winter gets here. I think I'm ready for winter now. Thanks for watching, and may the force be with you.